Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cikal Sthapati. Here I will talk about nature. I'm standing here before you all to share my talk my speech about nature. Nature is world around us. We all human beings depends on nature every time and for everything. Many people admire the beauty of nature and even they write many novels and poems on it. This is because the beauty of nature cannot be expressed in one single word or saying. It provides the humans, animals, and all the living beings on the earth a place to live with the joy of natural resources. Nature a bond for all. Nature is the mother of all. As it helps to sustain our life, it is our companion since eternity. Despite the importance of nature in human life, we are spoiling its balance only due to our greediness. Millions years ago, when the knowledge of man was not better than animal, all that time man used to get all the things needed for live only from nature. From today, at the height of the science, our requirements are met by nature only. Nature is a bond given to us, as it protects forests and cures of organisms for living on the earth. It given us forests which are the lungs of earth. The next is challenge of nature. Our life as human beings started on this planet Earth, and since then we are exhausting its resources. But it returns, we are exposing it to the external threat of destruction and mistreatment. Due to this, beautiful forests have been destroyed, rivers have been polluted, and vast open lands have been consumed for buildings the factories. We are giving challenge to nature by doing activities as hunting down animals, cutting down trees, releasing poisonous gases and polluting river. On earth is literally expressing many strokes and destruction activity due to which the river sources are going dry. Plants are dying as well as species are eliminating. Today, world is facing the biggest problem of global warming, which has a serious impact on our environment, so we all think seriously about our activities and help to bring such situation under control. Conservation of nature. Conver- Conservation of nature is another important issue. Although governments are employing various means to conserve nature, individuals must also come forward to contribute to saving nature. Therefore, everyone must join the tree plantation, restricting the use of paper, stopping wastage of water and electricity. Not only in this, we are to stop ill practice like the hunting of animals. Also, we must go from rainwater foresting system. It, if each one of us contribute on their own bit, the differences will be tremendous for nature. The beginning of life as well as the continuing of life are very complex process of nature. Every organism is important for the conservation of nature. I think enough. Thank you.